So guys, another day at the coast, you know, at the hometown, and I just came from husking the coconut, and you know, I was feeling kind of thirsty. Man, this place is full of fruit. Damn. As in, look at that. As in, all these are mangoes. As in, the place is so, there are all sorts of fruits here. As in, take a look at that. Mango. And look at that right there. This is another fruit. I don't even know the English name of this. It's still raw. That has a lot of juicy seeds inside it. In Kiswahili it's called a jaji. See this? It's called a jaji. But I don't know the English name for it, I'll be honest. Anyway, I was feeling kind of thirsty here at the coast. And as my mother taught me, I always obey my thirst. You know, as Pride usually says, obey your thirst. And I do. If you disobey your thirst, stuff might not go as planned. Anyway, here at the coast, when you obey your thirst, do you know what you get? You get the, like, almost raw coconuts. They're called Madafu in Kiswahili. Madafu are like, you know, the coconut before it matures. And it's usually very delicious. I showed it in the previous Malindi vlog. When I was there, I ate a Madafu. I bought a Madafu there, but they're all over the farm, as you can see. That was just because I went to Malindi. I was in the city and I needed to promote that guy. And funny enough, he gave me a free Madafu again. Madafu is coconut, by the way, for all you English speakers. Anyway, let's go get some. And I have my nigga there. Okay, my N-word, sorry. He's an expert at getting this Madafu. So, let's go to him and get some. Hello everyone, welcome to my Kopigos therapy. Right, now my dude has already tied the knot. You see, many guys usually use, I don't know, cranes and stuff to get up the coconut tree, but him, he uses that. I'm not a professional. You know the way I tried getting up the coconut tree the other day, and I ended up embarrassing myself. He's really good at it, so he's about to show us. Look at the professionals at work. See that? He got his sharp knife over there. But this is not really a tall, it's not very tall. But, you see how it's going? Look at those feet. Take a look at that. I tried this the other day and I embarrassed myself. Kahindi umeangusha kisu. It's called Kahindi. I think. See, he got up there. Now I don't know how I'm going to get him that knife. See that? Yeah. So he has to position himself. And this place is windy. That's the beauty of nature. It sends you the strongest wind when you're up there, just so that you can know your love. Right. Let me test this one if it's good. Okay. Right, after quick testing, I can confirm that they are good. It was good, so let him drop some. Angusha. I did a quick test on them, on that one that he dropped, and it was delicious as hell. So he's kind of struggling pull out some, as you can see. It needs a really strong grip, right? Let him keep dropping them. Let's get into a good position. See those Yeah, as you can see, now we have like, I don't know, 7, 8 of them. No, there are 6. Yeah. So my dude is looking for a way to, you know, scale back down that tree. That's how you scale it back down. Nice and simple. But if you don't have like really callous feet, you can really like get some crazy blisters. But this guy, as you can see those feet, the guy is used to it. Hey, asante sana Kahindi. Watu sasa watajua. Sasa tuziokote tuishe nazo huko mtaani. Right, we just came from the farm. I got some of the Madafu here, the coconut. And you know, I can't just show you my man like dropping them and then I just leave you there. I have to take you all the way. If it's a striptease, I have to take you all the way. Okay. Now I'll show you how to strip one down. Okay. So you aim for the back part. This is the front part where where it was attached to the tree, and this is the back part. So just like that. It's actually not hard, and it's really juicy by the way. It's an old machete, farm machete. You can tell. Now we got the coconut itself. Now here, at this stage, you just ask it slowly. Because you don't want to, you know. And be careful by the way when you're holding it. See, now this is the meat. It's starting to reveal itself right here. See. See that? Now, I told you I'll take you all the way. See that? Damn, that's good coconut. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next vlog. Later.